All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So inside, inside, within something. The treasure is inside the chest. Yeah. I am inside the building. I am inside my office. Yes. I have water inside my cup. Yeah, water inside my cup. Yeah. How cool is that? You can find him inside the house. How cool is that? We put it inside just now. We put it inside the box just now. I'm putting it inside the box now. Can you put that inside today? They will have to wait inside now. Yeah. Come inside, it is raining. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Do you think they will go inside together? Inside together? No. I put the stuff inside that vault. The vault is inside a cave. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Now, can you use inside in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.